KwaZulu-Natal residents of Hambanathi are blaming the death of a toddler on an ongoing water crisis in the area. The 20-month-old drowned in a bucket of water while playing at a daycare centre. The area hasn't had water for 5 months since April's deadly floods. Many say they run out of patience with government's slow recovery plan for the province and have taken their anger to the streets. Lethiwe Mdluli was with them and filed this report.
Residents of Tongaat say their water crisis gets worse by the day. Residents took to the street today, burning tires and JoJo tanks supplied by the eThekwini municipality over the lack of water supply and what they call unanswered questions. They accused the municipality of reducing the number of water tankers in the area, leaving them without a drop for days. More recently, a toddler died after drowning in a bucket of water being used by a daycare center.
We had one child that passed away. He's 20 months old. He passed away, and we feel that if we had water in our taps, that child wasn't going to pass away. But he passed away because we didn't have water, and at that crash they have to fetch water and put in the bath. So the child was playing with that water.
Our municipality, getting water, and our government failed us. We gave them solutions. They are failing even to implement one of our demands. Young people are dying. Women are getting hurt.
The ad hoc Joint Committee on Flood Disaster Relief and Recovery is on an oversight visit in KwaZulu-Natal to assess the progress made since the destructive floods. Due to the protest, they were unable to visit the damaged water treatment plant that supplies Tongaat with water. Speaking to their assessment, the committee's co-chairperson, Cedric Frolic, had this to say.
We are aware of the challenges that our people are facing there. And for us, it would have been important to go there to engage with them and to find if the necessary water tanks that are up, and also if the water that's being delivered, is it enough for the people that is living there?
eThekwini Mayor Mqolisi Kaunda has urged residents to abstain from burning infrastructure, saying they are working on fixing the Tongaat issue.
The challenge of water is not only experienced in Tongaat, so our fleet is really overstretched in terms of our own internal water tankers, and you know how expensive it is to continue using the outsourced water tankers. Hence, last week the executive committee took a resolution that we must at least order additional fleet to reinforce us.
However, residents are doubtful and have promised to resume their protest if something isn't done immediately. Lethiwe Mdluli, Hambanathi, Durban.